Yeast infection is a very common problem, especially for women, but men can also get it. Candida albicans is a type of bacteria that is the main cause of this infection. Men get natural yeast infections in their private areas like women. Today in this video, I will discuss the main causes and symptoms of yeast infection in men. If you are new to this channel, you can subscribe to this channel, because it can be a great collection for you. If you get a yeast infection, you can suffer a painful rash in your hidden area. Candida albicans may live naturally on your skin without any problem, but when they potentially grow out of control, they cause infection in your mouth and hidden areas. Mainly yeast infection is caused by a type of yeast, and it is known as Candida albicans. Every man's private area has a few bacteria and several yeast cells. If too many yeast cells increase in a man's private area, he can be affected by this common infection. Regularly using chemicals, such as shower gels and perfumed soaps in the groin area can cause yeast infection in men. Vigorous scrubbing or washing in the genital area is a cause of this infection for men. If you have weak hygiene due to not bathing regularly, it also can increase the risk of this problem. Having intercourse with a woman who has a thrush infection can also be infected by this infection. If you wear dirty underwear for a long time, it can increase the risk of yeast infection. Taking regular antibiotics for a long time can cause infection in your hidden areas. If you have previous fungal infection history such as a jock itch or athlete's foot, you have also a great risk of this problem. Weak immune system and other medical examination side effects make this infection. If you have high blood sugar or diabetes, you should control your diabetes, because diabetes increases the risk of yeast infection. Yeast infection normally affects the end of the private area. This area can become inflamed, swollen, and very painful. Itchiness is also a common symptom, and it can be white patches around the head of the private area. Redness and swelling around your infected areas. A thick and lumpy discharge under the foreskin. An unpleasant odor of the foreskin. Pain during intercourse and urination. And trouble pulling back your foreskin.